How to download PowerPoint presentation or slides from Gamma app. So if you want to download PowerPoint presentation or slides from Gamma app, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to search for Gamma app, and then you need to make sure that you've logged into your account. Now you need to go with the presentation that you've created. And once you've created your presentation, now if you want to download it as a PowerPoint, then you need to go with the top right, which has that three dots. And from the three dots, you need to go with export. Under export, you will have two options. One is export to PDF and the other one is export to PowerPoint. And you may also have many more options. So select the option which is export to PowerPoint and just wait for a few seconds. Your PowerPoint is being generated. And now you need to go with click here to download, which is on the top right, or it will automatically start the PowerPoint downloading. Now once it's downloaded, you can go with downloads, which is on the top right, and click on the downloads, and you can open up your presentation on your PowerPoint. So that's it. That's how you can download the PowerPoint presentation or slides from the Gamma app. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.